It feels like 1,000 degrees outside today. It's crazy. The good news is it's my day off. So let's go to the beach today. We're here at the beach, but there's a problem. I have this cart that I just pull it from there to here, and I'm exhausted because this is heavy and it is really hard to pull. At this rate, we're never gonna get there. He's trying. First, we have to set up the tent. This is the easy part. Logan is setting up the chair. Open it. There we go. That's awesome. We got Jersey Mike's for lunch. It looks delicious. Let's eat. Look at this. So good. This is so good. Look how juicy that is. Ooh. And to drink a coconut water because we're at the beach, right? Coconut water hits different when you're at the beach. You don't wanna be. So you don't wanna be. Kiddo, what are you doing? Digging a hole. Thank you for coming with us today. See you next time.